Where are you going to put it? Lila's decorating the tree. Doing a very good job. Good job, honey. You want me to help you? The candy cane? Do you want me to help you do this one? Okay. You go to get another one? Which one do you want to put on? Ooh, that's a big one.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Look, look.
How about, do you want to put on a baby? The Cabbage Patch baby? Put that one on. Go ahead. Where do you want to put it?
Let's go again.
Anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. Very good. It's good when you stack them 3 in a row on one branch. That's pretty good. Yeah, good job, honey. Can you do more? Good job.